like it's up to you. You need to figure out which is your interest area, okay, and then start building a foundation, or getting deeper and deeper into that subject. So it's sort of like you can create your own specialization. So you just need to figure out, okay, fine, this is my interest area. So like for me, I think approximately in the first semester itself, I had figured out that yes, e-commerce is where I belong. This is my passion. I want to pursue this. And I think for those 2 years, like you can ask my faculty, almost all my projects were one way or another related to e-commerce. Because I was passionate about that subject. So what this did was academically, I was not bored when I was doing my assignments. The research work and everything that goes into it, because for 2 years, trust me, all you're going to be doing is a lot of research. And if it is a subject that you are passionate about, that you are interested in, it won't be boring. It'll actually be fun, and you'll be getting to learn a lot of the subject that you want. So academically, you will be sorted, you will be doing good, and even otherwise, you will be building a strong foundation for yourself as a career. You'll get a good kickstart when you get into the industry, because already for those 2 years, you've done your groundwork. So this is how I think the course is very. Some people take it as a negative point, that what is the specialization, what am I doing exactly, but it's actually a plus point. You can create your own specialization. It's up to you to figure out what is your interest area and then start going towards it. So that's it. Just have fun, do a lot of research. It's a good course. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. Yeah, you will.
What was your project, you tell them?
Yeah, my dissertation project was the trends and the forecast for social media, and how social media is being used as a tool for personal brand management. How people are portraying themselves as a brand online. They're actually maintaining it, putting a lot of efforts. What is the portrayal that I want people to get out of? What is my image going to be like? It is kind of like a personal brand management which is happening online. So that was my research, which is again, social media is a very big part of e-commerce. So yeah, so one way or another, I always used to link my projects to the subject which I wanted. Yeah.
Shishir.
Hello everybody. Well, what should I say? As she said, you need, relate to one thing, and whatever you do. As she said, one or the other, taking your project into systemic focus. So that's what the thing I never did. Throughout 2 years. So I wouldn't say I was confused, but I wanted to do a lot of things, different things, because doing one thing is a little boring. So that boring thing, you should get off it, because you need to do different things, a lot of things. Well, I don't know what much to say. Like, it's been 2 years after college. I'm still trying to find my focus, what to do, what I can do, what I'm capable of, or what things I can do and excel in that. So I'm still trying to find that focus. So it's not the problem with the course, but it's the problem with me. So all of that is a good thing, because you're exploring new things. So a lot of you're coming across a lot of things, different things. So through reading, or observing, or just meeting people. So what I want to say is that keep exploring. Don't stop yourself. Don't restrict yourself to one thing, right? Because that will open up your mind, and that will give you perspective to a lot of things. So anyway, that's gonna help you, and help you to grow mentally, and whatever ways. So I think that's what I did. I'm still doing, and I'm keep on going. Doing these things. So in a way, this course is any day gonna help you in say, finding your focus, doing different things. Why I'm focusing on doing different things? So because it's good for the growth. So maybe I'm like, I won't say I'm struggling, although I am, but I'm learning, I'm growing. So this growing phase is a little difficult, but eventually it's a good thing. So keep growing.
So do you mean to say that this course taught you how to struggle well?
As I said, I wouldn't blame the course, I would blame myself.
No, but because of the course, now you know how to struggle. Isn't it?
So it's kind of defying 1,000 ways which doesn't work. So